Okay, so the Acacia spoon that comes with your Ryze Mushroom Coffee. Sorry, got a little bit of stuff on there. But I just finished this bag. So it's empty. So what I gotta do now is go online, do a one-time order, put my code Rise and Shine in to get my next shipment. I do have some more chicory left, so that's still good for me because I'll just drink the chicory until that one comes. I shouldn't have waited until that was over. But the reason why I'm on here is because I do 2 spoonfuls of this Acacia spoon of the actual Ryze Mushroom Coffee. Then I take only 1 spoonful of the probiotic creamer with the mushrooms and I put it in here. So it's filled up to around about there. And then I'll take my vanilla silk almond milk creamer. And then I'll do I'll fill it till probably about there. So that just lets you see, and then it gives a little bit of color. That's actually gonna give it a better flavor if you can't deal with it by itself. If you can, then you're a G, but if not, this is okay. And this is how I make my Ryze Mushroom Coffee by using the Acacia spoon that comes with the order. So, hope that helps.